Welcome everyone to the Mystery Shopping MSPA series where we explore the fantastic world of mystery shopping. My name is Luis, and today we'll delve into the journey and to hopefully get some great insights from an industry expert. We'll go into the beginnings, how everything started in their career in mystery shopping, how they see our business currently and our opportunities and challenges, and also thinking ahead where they see our industry heading to. Very, very warm welcome to Abdel. Hi, Abdel.
Hi, Luis. How are you?
I'm very good. Since now I met you, I'm much better, actually. Thank you, Abdel.
Nice to meet you. It's been a while.
It's been a while. It's great to be together again. We've been in touch over really about 20 years since the founding of the association. Very good to see you again in this 2025. Abdel, who is Abdel? Abdel is the CEO of CNO Marketing from Morocco, almost operating for 30 years in Africa, in the Middle East, in Europe. And very, very much involved at the boards of the Mystery Shopping Professionals Association, as well as in the ESOMAR as well, representing the Association for the Maghreb. Really, Abdel is an expert in these areas and also a connector between human beings and people and connecting, taking really MSPA and ESOMAR into Africa. So, Abdel, really fantastic having you here today with us.
My pleasure.
Let's start. We are all curious. How did you get into this world of mystery shopping almost 30 years ago? Tell us a bit, Abdel.
It's quite simple. I got into mystery shopping by assisting my market research clients in the retail sector to measure quality of. In fact, CNO Marketing from the beginning were positioned as a key player in studies dedicated to the retail sector, so in market research. And our clients quickly understood the importance of measuring the quality of service in their point of sale. This is how it starts in mystery shopping in CNO Marketing. And that's how we initiated the first mystery shopping programs in Morocco 30 years ago. So it starts with the retail, and this retail imprint has been very useful as it has enabled us to experiment very different kind of mystery shopping programs for different retail like automotive or fashion or restaurant. And it helps also to build up a large database of mystery shoppers. As in retail, we are doing large volumes, so it helps us to build up large database of mystery shoppers. Since then, we have, of course, developed programs in very large number of sectors like automotive or hospitality or ready-to-wear or restaurants. And above all, we are fortunate to be able to adapt these approaches to different geographical areas. As you said, we are based in Morocco, but we are covering Africa, and we are covering Middle East from our office in Middle East. So working in different cultures and contexts has enabled us to refine our perception of the customer experience itself and how to adapt the measurement tools for each country or for each region. I can give you a small example if you want, if you need to, why it's important to be specific to the country and not to use standard models to build the grids, the surveys. In Morocco, the greetings and farewells can't be simple, limited to only hello or goodbye, because it's not enough for some clients, for some types of clients to be feel well greeted. So we need to use extra words in Arabic, in Moroccan dialect, and this helps us to be more specific, and the clients felt more welcomed like this. So if we use the standard words like hello or goodbye, it's not enough. This is why we need to adapt our surveys to to the region. Even for the smile, for example, the kind of smile is not the same. It's not only a simple smile. We need to pay attention to how he smiles to the customer. Even the language used in the interaction, because if you use Arabic or French, it's not the same in Morocco. If we use French, some people are telling us no, why he used French only? He needs to use Arabic standard Darija. So this is some examples to prove that it's very important to be specific to the country and to adapt to each region our service.
Very, very, very interesting. We also in Mr. Shopping we learn about different cultures and to adapt. And one size does not fit all. And we can help with our programs also to bring in the local, the global advantages, but also acting locally is very, very important. Great sharing, Abdel. And then since you started, you are still a young man, of course, but you've been 30 years. So how did Mr. Shopping evolve since you started? When you think back, and also what are the challenges you're facing now, and also opportunities?
I can tell you one of the main developments in our sector is the transformation of retail from one unique touchpoint to the omni-channel environment, the phygital. This requires a redefinition of our methods, and as today's consumers are approaching the brand through different channels, and it's necessary to maintain the same level of customer experience satisfaction across all these points of contacts. It seems obvious, but believe me, it's not easy at all. Because imagine that today we have a consumer who has very different expectations depending on the channel, and he is acting differently depending on the channel. It's not the same guy, a guy by phone or by mail or on the internet. He is not behaving in the same way when he is behaving in the shop. And even he is facing the same brand, but the brand is not responding in the same way physically or by email or on the lead. So this is why it's very important to adapt our surveys and our methodologies to each of the channels to deliver the same level of satisfaction in the customer experience. This is, I think, one of the evolution of one of the bigger evolution of our sector in these years. And the other change I felt is the greater role of the technology in collecting data and delivering results to the client. This plays a great change in the way we are delivering, and we are working on feed with our client, with the end client, and also the shopper and our direct client.
Super. So Mr. Shopping evolves as we have different touch points. Mr. Shopping also is there, and also the way we deliver data. And Abdel, what about the future? As far as you can predict, you talk to so many clients and also other colleagues all over the world. How do you see Mr. Shop evolving for the upcoming years?
You won't be surprised that I'm going to talk about AI, which is the trend that we can't escape today. Everything is being flavored with AI now. If we were working in a kitchen, I would say that all dishes we prepare today would have AI as an ingredient. AI flavored lead, mystery call with AI sauce, shop visits sprinkled with AI powder. My fear is that tomorrow the dishes will be called AI with lead sauce or AI sprinkled with field visits. So this all-out flight towards technology must not make us forget that the essence of our profession is the measurement of human interaction done by human. So technology should in no way supplant humans, but only assist them in an optimal way. Let's stick to our basics. We are not score producers. We are performance improvement consultants. So we need to use different tools to add different tools in not only using mystery shopping, but active listening, passive listening, surveys, pools, so that we can increase the loyalty of the end customers of our client, and thus to improve also the loyalty of our direct customer. So we need to think out of the box. Yes, we need to use AI and we need to use technology, but in an optimal way, so that we don't use our basics, and we need to provide advice and help to our direct client.
Super, Abdel. Thank you for that important insights. It's the human touch will always be there, but AI is a strong ally of our productivity and our data collection overall. But the thinking and the decision bit will still be probably for quite some time ours. Abdel, I know that you are preparing to travel to Estonia, to Tallinn, to our upcoming conference in May. What are your expectations for this conference? It's exciting to meet colleagues from 50 countries. And what are your expectations for this conference?
It's always a pleasure for me to join MSPA conference, because it's a great opportunity to meet colleagues and to network, and to meet also friends, because we are colleagues and we are friends, and to attend some great presentations. I think it's the best opportunity for all professionals to be able to talk and to chat and to exchange, because we used to be in contact through emails and but the direct contact, the face-to-face contact is more important, and I think it's worthy to come, and I advise all my colleagues and all people in MSPA to come to attend this conference in Tallinn. And Tallinn is a very
Super. It's also, we extend this invitation to all our colleagues that work in mystery shopping. Like we say, let's connect, let's learn from each other, let's share and prepare a great 2025. Abdel, super, thank you for joining us today, and see you soon. And to our audience, please stay tuned, because soon we'll come back with another interview with another industry expert. Thank you for joining us.
my pleasure.
All the best. Bye-bye.
Bye.